What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to fix the phone capture settings in Drift so that you don't get errors in your chatbot flows. So the solution is quite easy, and Drift came out with this feature to allow for us to widen the gamut of potential phone number formats, because not everyone's in the US and there's a lot of other opportunities out there. So when we're in a playbook, you're going to be able to adjust some settings to make it so that it opens it up for everyone, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So when you jump into a bot playbook, you're going to find the ability to add a phone number capture, or if you already have it in your tool, you'll be able to see the skill phone capture. Now from there, what you need to do is you need to hit the edit button, and then where you see the responses in the builder here, you're going to look for valid phone number, and you're going to hit that little pencil or edit button as well. So once you get here, you'll notice default phone country code is set to United States. This is set this way for my portal. I believe it's set by default across the board. So what you need to do in the tool is you can hit this drop down. Now this is of course if you want anyone outside the United States. And if you scroll all the way up to the top, you'll see none, and it'll allow all numbers. And so the cool thing about this is the phone number will be able to just roll right in and have the capture no matter what the phone format is. Now, if you are someone who is interested in only showing, or only allowing US phone numbers, then of course this doesn't apply. So if you want to use this, then this is a great solution. We've got some international clients that we do quite a bit of work with, and a lot of our inquiries don't just come from within the United States. So it makes sense for us to do this in this example. So all you do is you hit apply changes and save your playbook, and you're good to go. This would have to be done on a playbook by playbook basis if you've got multiple ones set up. So that's it for today's tutorial. I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. If you have any questions about conversational marketing or Drift, hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. If you would like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our daily tutorials, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.